In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take notes directly on PowerPoint slides. If you've ever been in a meeting or a lecture and wanted to jot down your thoughts right on your slides, this feature is perfect for you. It keeps your notes organized and linked to each specific slide for easy reference. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Once it's opened, navigate to the presentation you want to work on. You can do this by clicking File, then Open and selecting your PowerPoint file. Now, go to the top menu and click on the View tab. Make sure the normal view is selected. This is the standard editing mode where you can see your slides, thumbnails on the left, and a notes section at the bottom. Next, click on the slide where you want to add a note. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a box labeled Click to add notes. Simply click inside that box and start typing your thoughts, reminders, or key talking points. Your notes are saved automatically along with your presentation, so you can access them anytime, whether you're editing, reviewing, or presenting. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to take notes directly on your PowerPoint slides. It's a simple but powerful way to keep your ideas organized and make your presentations more effective. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.